Hello, this video is to help you get acquainted with your new Samsung microwave. In many ways, this microwave works essentially the same as you would expect. You can simply press how long you'd like it to go and press start. It also has the stop function, which is also the clear button. If you want to change the clock, you press the clock button down here, and then you simply select the time, and then the start. You have your light, hood light, medium, off, fan, and then low. But you have to press the fan again for it to turn off. And then up here you have some quick options. For instance, pizza. If you have one, that'll be a minute 30. Yeah. And that's pretty much it. If you need any more information, at the top corner, there's a QR code here, and that will take you to the user manual.